video 2 in the massive holiday giveaway series. And it's hot off the truck as well. We just got it in. Real quick, before we get into this case, we have 3,000 plus in prizes that we're going to give out for the holidays. And over 50 subscribers are going to win this holiday. So we're trying to bring a little Santa to your house from Wheel Collectors. This right here is Pop Culture C case. This is a case that I've been wanting to see for a while now, guys. This is one of my favorite groups, the Beatles. The Beatles Pop Culture set. We're going to open this case 2 by 2 as we usually do. Check it out. The first 2 cars in the case are both Deco Deliveries. Got the Yellow Submarine on the card back there. Look at that art. Super colorful card back, just like the album was. This is the Deco Delivery. Got the Yellow Submarine artwork on the side. The Beatles are on the back of the van. Super cool. The next 2 cars in the case are the Quick Delivery. Again, this is a 12-car case. Pop Culture does 12 cars per case. So there's going to be 2 sets and then 2 extras. So we're going to have 3 winners from this case. The Quick Delivery has the With the Beatles album on the cover. It's one of their earlier albums. The Yellow Submarine was probably 1968, I'm guessing. This one was probably 1964, 65. Quick Delivery, nice black decals. The next 2 are one of my personal favorite albums. It's the Combat Medic with the Revolver on it. This is when they turned from playing live concerts to just doing albums. They called it Revolver because they thought that it could possibly end their career, and it actually made it better. Very cool graphics on the album. And they put them on the Medic. The next 2 cars in the case are the custom GMC Panel van with the Help album on it. The Help album was actually before Revolver. And it also was a movie. Got the Beatles on the back of the van there. This is... It basically looks like an A-Team van, except instead of the A-Team, it's the Beatles. I like that one. The next car in the case is the ever-popular Volkswagen T1 Panel Bus. I'm not sure people can get enough of this one. It's got the Abbey Road on it, which was their last album that they did together. It wasn't the last album released, Let It Be was, but Abbey Road was recorded after Let It Be. Very cool, guys. This set is nice. Look at that, it says Beatles Abbey Road on the back of the panel bus. And then the last 2 cars in the case. There's the empty of the case. Last 2 cars in the case are the panel bus again and the panel van. So those are the 2 extras for this particular case. Here's the top-down view. Okay, we're going to give this away. This is going to go to a subscriber. This is going to go, this other set right here is going to go to a commenter. This one's going to go to a subscriber. So again, $3,000 plus in prizes. You better grab some. Thank you guys for joining us. This is Wheel Collectors, hot off the truck with the Beatles.